Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be comparing forex.com versus Oanda on spreads, fees, platforms, currency pairs to see which forex broker may be better for you. So first of all, let's start with the trading cost. So here we have Oanda. So Oanda has the spread only pricing while its core pricing option offers tighter spreads with a commission for the eligible accounts. Onda's Euro USD spread is currently listed from 1.4 pips on its spread only pricing. If we talk about forex.com, so forex.com also offers you a spread only account with Euro USD spreads starting around 1.2 pips or its raw pricing account with the spreads as low as 0 plus a $7 commission per 100,000 traded. Oanda also offers you 68 FX pairs in the United States. Forex.com offers you 80 currency pairs, giving it a slight advantage if you want more instruments to choose from. If we compare both the platforms, so Oanda supports its own web and the mobile platform TradingView and MT4. Forex.com supports its own platform along with TradingView MT4, and its raw account also supports MT5. Now the real question comes which one you should actually choose. So if you want simple pricing, flexible position sizing, and a straightforward forex experience, then Oanda is a strong choice here. If you are an active trader that is looking for tighter spreads, raw pricing, and more currency pairs, then forex.com has the edge. So forex.com versus Oanda doesn't have one universal winner. You can compare the pricing model, spreads, platforms, and currency pairs that you actually plan to trade before choosing your broker. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.